everyone, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing the book The Boy in the Striped Pyjamas, written by John Boyle. This book is about a 9-year-old boy named Bruno who has to leave his five-story house in Berlin to an isolated house in the countryside. He is extremely annoyed because he has to leave all of his friends, plus he will have no one to play with. However, he meets a boy named Shmuel, who is a Jew, and he found out that there are other people also living behind the fence, but they are treated extremely badly and are given little food only. So that's the reason why Bruno and Shmuel quickly became friends, and they often smuggle food to each other. But then Bruno heard the news that he and his sister and his mother will be sent back to Berlin because his parents agreed that this place is not good for raising two children. However, before leaving to Berlin, Bruno does something that no one will ever forget. So, if you want to know about what was that thing, and also what is about these friends, I suggest you read this book. After I read this book, I was actually amazed about how the author wrote everything in this book, and I enjoyed it. But there was a little bit of some confused, like the parts where I got confused. But I'm sure you will get through this book. Thank you.
For more videos, please subscribe this channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon.